For more than half a century, the scientific effort to find advanced, non-human intelligence has looked strictly in one direction. We built sprawling arrays of satellite dishes, aiming our most sensitive instruments upward to listen for signals from the stars. We launched billions of dollars of hardware into orbit, engineering golden hexagonal mirrors designed to peer into the farthest edges of the observable universe. The collective resources of multiple nations remain dedicated to this outward-facing search. Decades of scanning the deep cosmos have resulted in a quiet, empty void. The deep space hypothesis currently lacks any definitive proof of intelligent life. That focus on the sky may have distracted us from a discovery made closer to home. Research emerging from academic circles at Harvard University suggests that the intelligence we've been seeking resides right here on Earth. Declassified military sonar logs provide a new dataset. Instead of objects falling from orbit, acoustic arrays track underwater anomalies. The military calls these USOs, unidentified submerged objects. Telemetry captured on these grids shows massive crafts operating at depths where hydrostatic pressure would implode a modern submarine. The Harvard paper identifies these entities as Crypto-Terrestrials, a highly intelligent species native to Earth that has remained hidden from human observation. Topographical data of the ocean floor shows these anomaly heat maps concentrate around the deep blue relief gradients of oceanic trenches and active volcanic cave networks. Captured acoustic logs from regions like the Mariana Trench contain complex mechanical and biological frequencies. This evidence suggests a species that evolved here and retreated into the depths long before humans reached the surface. Biological models of parallel evolution allow for two intelligent species to share a single planet. The timeline can split into two distinct paths, allowing both to develop without direct interaction. If an early hominid offshoot diverged from our common ancestors millions of years ago, they would have had an immense timeline to develop advanced intelligence. While the surface of the Earth faced asteroid strikes and ice ages, this early branch ensured its survival by migrating into deep underground and submerged cavern networks. Human development on the surface was a struggle against predators and volatile climates. We endured a chaotic evolutionary path, frequently interrupted by environmental shifts. In the stability of the deep ocean, this parallel offshoot had millions of uninterrupted years to advance their technology and biology. Deep-sea hydrothermal vents provide the energy needed for such a civilization to thrive, pumping heat and minerals into the dark water. Living at the bottom of the ocean requires specific physiological adaptations, including cellular structures reinforced to withstand immense hydrostatic pressure. In an environment devoid of sunlight, bioluminescence would allow this species to navigate the trenches and operate their technology in total darkness. Communicating through miles of dense water would favor the development of complex neurological networks designed for processing acoustic data. These proposed adaptations suggest a species far more integrated into the planet's structure than we are. On a planetary scale, humanity occupies only the thin, volatile outer layer. The Harvard Threat Assessment looks at why these crafts are appearing more frequently now, after millions of years of isolation. Data shows a correlation between human activity and USO sightings. Underwater nuclear testing in the mid-20th century sent massive acoustic shockwaves directly into these deep-sea habitats. Modern USO sightings also track with the expansion of extreme deep ocean commercial drilling. Human technology has finally reached a point where we are physically puncturing the seafloor and intruding upon these previously untouched geothermal territories. The sudden appearance of these crafts indicates a monitoring protocol. Our industrial expansion into the deep water has triggered their surveillance. The existence of a superior terrestrial intelligence shifts the focus of planetary security toward our own oceans. We are sharing the Earth with a species that moves through high-pressure water with ease. This data raises a difficult possibility. Human civilization may be a surface-level experiment, monitored by the Earth's true masters from the depths. Current defense and scientific tracking infrastructure is heavily weighted toward deep space, leaving us blind to the activity occurring beneath the surface. Our safety depends on redirecting our focus toward the activity emerging from the ocean floor. The greatest mystery on this planet is waking up in the deep.